So his mid back is really fun to adjust, and I mean that sincerely. And we're gonna do it seated in just a minute. You want to talk about a lot of cavitation and noise being made. Slide down for me. Come on down. Good. Make my table a little longer. So basic sacrum adjustment. You're going to see this time and time and time again, especially in men, but women also. We don't take care of our low back. It gets pinched. Majority of pain in people's low back is sciatica, SI joint, hips, going down the legs and the buttocks. How we doing in here, Shannon?
Yeah, it's a little tender, but
Not bad. More so here, more so there.
more so on the right side.
Okay. Breathe in. Breathe out. Nice, you felt that, didn't you? All right, have a seat and we'll get this minute back.